Hello my dear friends, today I would like to try 3D printed hard shots. This is the hard shots, this is full. I put in every hard shot slug 7 of 4.5 millimeters steel balls. Let's see. Let's go to the shooting. I'm waiting. Finish that. I will shoot maybe 12. Let's see. This is a cup. Behind also I put cup. 7 steel balls. Let's wait the 3D printer to finish. I will make a shooting. Let's shoot the first 6. So, it goes up. I will not make chrono. Let's check it. Oh. Make damage, huh? Is this one? Is this one? It's not bad, huh? I didn't imagine, huh? I think it's empty. I will not shoot more. It's mess all the house, but it's make damage, huh? This shit is not this is stainless steel. I didn't expect it. Very nice. I will put the link on description. This guy is the same like I make the barrel extension plastic. It's from the same guy. Thank you very much, this good friend who offer free STL files for HDR50. Thank you very, very much, my friend. This is a hard shot damage. I didn't believe it. I shoot from 1 meter distance, but I didn't expect that we have a penetration. This is amazing slugs. I like it. Look.